Hey guys, it's that time of year where we need to cool this thing down. It's already like 92 degrees in there and it's March. So I've got something to show you. I was gonna buy some supports to hold my air conditioner up. There's an easier solution. It's this bar. I believe it's 3/4, and then I just kind of ground down the ends on both ends, and let me show you why. Because it fits right here inside this track. So these are tempered glass windows, and this bar will fit right in there. Let me show you how easy this is. So here's our little air conditioner. And this just rests up there like that. I grab the bar, insert the bar like that, and you're good. That's all there is to it. Close this. Guys, that's as simple as it gets, that bar. I mean, obviously, I need to paint it. It's a little rusty because I had to grind it, you know, and then I just put it in last time and used it. I'm gonna find a more permanent solution for this cord, but with this cord, we'll hook it up to that EcoFlow Delta Max. I'm not gonna do that yet because this is 100% and it's not even gonna bring in a charge because until it drains it a little. So we'll just take this. We'll take our air conditioner, I'm going to plug it into the back. Plug it into the back, turn it on up front. Oh, this is at 84%. I actually can plug it in. I forgot. I did some things with this. So, let's turn this on and get it going. All right, and then there it is. Let's turn this on. Let's do mode. We're gonna do cool mode, and let's get it cold in here. Let's go 68. It is telling me I need to change my dust filter, so I probably should do that. The dust filter on this is pretty easy. Is this right here. That's actually pretty clean. I think it just registers it by time. I don't know. I would say that's actually really clean. That dust filter, it just must... Oh, I forgot. There's a way to reset it. Turn this on. It says to hold the fan speed for 3 seconds. There we go. Let you know the dust filter's clean. Now, let me take you in here, show you what's going on. In fact, let's get it really cold. Let's take it down to, well, I'm gonna put it on cool, and let's take it down to 68 degrees. All right, now, look on here. We are only pulling 260 watts right now. Once the compressor kicks on, it'll pull a little more. But let's go ahead and plug our solar in. And that just comes right back here. There's a button for the solar. And then we'll plug that in. You'll hear it click. See what we got going on. So input is the top. We're bringing in 300 watts. We're only using 270. This is a pretty efficient air conditioner, and it'll cool this place right down. But if you'll notice, I mean, right here, it's 91 degrees in here, 75 degrees outside. So we're gonna let this thing do its thing, but that's all there is to it, guys, with that bar and letting that go down. with these tempered glass windows. I'll put links to this air conditioner. I don't know if they still make it anymore, but I'll put links in the description if they still do. And the size of the windows that I have, I'll put that in the description of the video. So easy way to get an air conditioner in, and it'll come in and out and just fits really easy, and setup's a breeze. So there you have it. I'm not sure if you'll see this better on the phone, but we're starting this test about 5 o'clock. I'm bringing in 285 watts or so, pulling 338 on the air conditioner. So there's our test setup, so you can see, just seeing about how long it'll take to cool this down.